Hello people, so before I start this video off, I just want to say I'm starting to do a new thing where I'm going to be doing a giveaway every single month now, because I think it's about time I give something back to you guys for, watching these stupid ass videos every day. So I'm going to do a giveaway every single month, so it's going to be probably on the 23rd of every month. So make sure you join the Discord server, which is obviously linked right next to the script in the description. And yeah, I'm also going to be doing one for every 1,000 subscribers as well. So next time I hit 1,000 subs, there's going to be another giveaway. And yeah, that's basically it. So enjoy the video, and that's it for me. Hello people, it is me, Master MZ here, and today I am here with Dwayne The Rock Johnson again, and today I'm going to be showcasing another script by Creo. He's the person who made the soldier script, if you're wondering, because I've made like 4 videos on it by now. So if you don't know, then just check out the other scripts I've made by him, because they're really good. So today I am here reviewing it's called a pet script. So you see this little black creature I got on top of my head right now. This is a cat, and basically what this script does is it just lets you control him, so you can do whatever you want with him. There's 3 different types, just in case you don't like this one. You can get the orange one, you can get a white one, but I like this one, so I'm gonna stay with this one. And all you want to do is you just want to execute, and once you execute, you're gonna fly into the air for a couple seconds, moon gravity type shit, and then you're gonna come back down, and then you'll have your buddy right here on your side. And with him, you can click, and whenever you click, he'll go flying towards someone, and whenever he hits them, they'll go flying across the goddamn map. You could also click, what was the other command? F does something. Yeah, F lets you control him, so you can fly around with him. This mode doesn't let you fling people. Wait, never mind, it does. So if you're going the F mode, you can control him, and then if you click, he goes into a torpedo attack, and he will come. Oh, okay, I just flew through the floor, and this is FE, so obviously they can see me flying. Where'd he go? Okay, so I got him back, just a small little malfunction. So F, click, it goes torpedoing towards them at 500 miles per hour, and if you hit F again, he comes right back to your side. And then you can click M to keep him stationary. He just sits there. He just looks, I guess. And if you unclick M again, yep, he comes back to you. And yeah, that's basically it. You can control your loaf of bread, make him kill people, and yeah, that's basically it. It's a very simple script. The hat only costs, I think it's like 100 Robux, so it's not that bad. And yeah, if you want a flying cat, obviously links to it will be on my website down below. And yeah, that's it for me today. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later after I'm done harassing Dwayne The Rock Johnson for a while. Okay, goodbye people.